see, did I take you guys out? Just do the twerking Santa, twerking Santa. It lights up. It's a gingerbread house. Do you think this is too much or just enough? Just enough. Just. Oh, these are gonna be fun. I haven't seen these in a while. This little fella, he lights up. Come on. So nice. I could live in this thing. I'd be so happy. Every year, gets a little bit more crazy every year. Every year. Trouble's holiday wardrobe. See, it's a little reindeer. This is his favorite. He usually wears this a lot. This is when he has a date come over for the holidays. You know, it's like Santa, cool Santa. It's gonna be a very busy day. It's gonna be 12 hours. You know, we only started at 6 a.m. Which also means, where's my watch? Where's my watch? This might be time for a little something sparkly. Little, not just my personality. Maybe a little champagne, a little Prosecco. Oh, have you ever seen something so amazing? Look at this. Have you ever seen something so amazing? Oh, would you like a holiday cocktail? Would you like a little vodka cranberry in your... Yep. If you're gonna be following this all day, Mr. Jason, you might get bored. Jason, did you see my holiday mugs? It's just a few of them. But I think if you come over to the house for like a movie night and we watch Home Alone or, you know, Christmas Vacation, like, you know, I could bring out a tray of like spiked hot chocolate or coffee and you have it in your little mugs. All right, so I'm gonna take a little Santa's milk break. Some milk and cookies. I think Santa today, he's definitely, you know, we're all watching our health, so I'm sure he's drinking a White Claw, you know?
You mean a White Claws?
Oh, I see what you did there. Some people are proud of their jewelry collection, their car collection, their box card collection, their baseball card collection. I'm proud of my Christmas collection, which has expanded into Hanukkah. I celebrate Hanukkah more than Josh does. Oh, it's already coming together. Okay. Till next time, Santa. It's time. Jason.
Yep.
You know what's better than a candy cane? The Kris Kringle Candy Cane Martini, my recipe. Are you ready for it? Very simple, I think. A lot of people make these things. They call them the peppermint martini, the whatever, Kris Kringle Candy Cane Martini. The difference, I have not seen anybody do this yet. I know, mind-blowing. As I add the white chocolate liqueur from Godiva, but everything else is standard. Your vanilla vodka, and then we got the peppermint schnapps, and then you got your assortment of candy canes. This is for our decoration. These are the ones that we're going to smash to make a sugary, candy caney. That's right, I said rim. And so yeah, the first thing we're gonna do is shake up our jingle juice, our jolly juice. Ice. You're gonna do 4 ounces of your vanilla vodka. 2 ounces in each one of these lovely little spigots, whatever you want to call them. So with your peppermint, you don't want to put too much of it. You're gonna think, ooh, it's gonna taste better. No, 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 no. It's gonna taste like gasoline. This is just to make it taste like the candy cane, all right? So it's a little, you know, get it? It's about a half an ounce, okay? About a half an ounce. Then, white chocolate liqueur from Godiva. This, it's 2 of them, so we're gonna do 1 ounce. Drop that baby in, put your top on. Shake, shake, shake. Come on now. We're gonna let that chill. Smells about right, doesn't smell too minty. Now, some fun stuff, all right? This is where you call your grandchildren in, your kids, your husband. Okay, it's about to go down. So you leave your little candy canes. You know how like a lot of them come when you go to like the dollar store and you get like the cheap candy canes, like 100 for $1? A lot of them come broken, like this. You keep them in the package, no lie, and just jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the way. Hey, what fun it is to. Now that part's done, another important tip that you cannot forget. You must put your martini glasses in the freezer before you make this, okay? They gotta be chilled. So I'm gonna get my martini glasses. Oh, Kris Kringle candy cane martini coming right up. Now, the boring part where you're just basically pouring your crushed up peppermint candies, candy canes into a bowl because you're gonna make a peppermint rim. All right, look at this. Now you can use lemon, lime, whatever, you know, because you have to coat the rim of your martini glass. I'm using a little sweet organic agave. Okay, and this is white sugar because it makes it look like it snowed first on your martini glass and then Santa dropped some candy canes on it, right? Because that's what he does. That's how he rolls. He's my best friend. Don't tell me any different. Okay, take your little frozen martini glass. Do not break it. Perfection. Ready? Okay. Ooh. Oh. See that? Jason, I know you're impressed. We've already shaken it up. Let's give it a nice little stir. Okay. I wait all year for this. Start dreaming about it in probably February. Got a little bit of sugar in my mouth. Perfect amount of everything. Because sometimes you can put too much pepper, like I keep saying. You don't really want to drink a candy cane. You just want that little of the peppermint. That was the easiest thing I think I've ever filmed. One, best time ever because the holidays are my favorite time of year. Happy holidays. Try the drink, let me know. And I'm gonna get about as lit as my Christmas tree right now. Like last time when I was walking through here, I just kind of got a glimpse through and I'm like, I can't believe like all my childhood dreams have come true. Like just staring through the house. I'm like, look, I can't even. When I go to bed at night and I'm walking upstairs and I look down, I'm like, oh. Thank you, baby Jesus. Thank you, baby Jesus. See, Jason, when you walk into this room, this is every kid's Christmas wish come to life. Who didn't want Santa climbing up the stairs hanging lights? Who didn't want that as a kid? Who did not want Santa's boots? You have Santa's boots. They're just chilling in your living room. I just can't even deal with it. What's a downfall to decorating? It's been taking me 3 days. I leave the doors open, and then I was watching a Christmas movie last night in the den. There was a cricket in there, a live cricket. They just came into the house. I was like, God, the crickets are loud tonight. No. I looked over, looked down right by the fireplace. There was a cricket. Just watching Home Alone with me. This was my inspiration that a lot of people helped me execute. But this is supposed to be like a gingerbread house. This is supposed to be the outdoor, COVID friendly. I wanted a place where you can have a couple friends come over and it's COVID friendly because we're outdoors. You see there's no windows or doors. You can wear your masks and you know, you sit here, right? So I wanted to put out a Christmas tree and I did with all colored lights. And these are all of my little whimsical ornaments that I've collected. Let's just say you have your friends, Tammy and Bill are over and I'm making them a candy cane martini. And then you just pop on Home Alone or Home Alone 2, whatever your bag is. You sip your cocktail and everyone is safe. So I wanted to make this like a little gingerbread house. I did with the help of Dr. Christmas. I just give credit where credit's due, and Dr. Christmas definitely, him and his elves helped me out, as well as holiday lighting specialists. They are the ones that risk their lives and put all of the lights up on the trees and way up on the, I think they call them eaves, the eaves of the house. Jason, do you know? You're smarter than me, you're butch.
Eaves?
I think it's eaves, right? Isn't that what that is? I should know. I guess I should ask my expert husband who's, you know, a real estate broker. I have no idea. You know, I grew up poor, so I was like, what? It's a roof. But yeah, they helped me kind of achieve this dream. And the best part about it is Josh has been traveling for 3 weeks, so when he comes home, he's gonna be like that kid on Christmas morning if he wasn't Jewish. He doesn't, but he loves Christmas, he loves trees, he loves all of it, because we celebrate the Hallmark holiday, not the religious holiday. It's okay if you do. See, Jason, I feel like I'm Mariah Carey and I'm always like trying to like not get in trouble.
Yeah.
It's time.
But he's gonna come home and get to see this. Can you imagine if you came and saw all this at once? This has taken me 5 days. You see this at once. Well, I hope you enjoyed my holiday tour, Christmas tour of the house. It's been a labor of love. I really think I need to like retire next year because it's a little too much until I have kids. That's why I want to have kids. So I hope you enjoyed the Christmas tour of the house. And this is one of my favorite rooms because it's one of the smaller rooms in the house. It's right off the kitchen and it's just like, we mirrored it after, like I wanted it to be like Santa's like little workshop, right? Like a little, like the little room in the North Pole that's cozy. You have the big fireplace, all the candles are lit. You know, you have like the little campy, cute, like little elves and reindeer and like snowmen, all that stuff. Now I'm rambling because you got me drinking the candy cane martini. In all sincerity, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it's inspired you to get into the holiday spirit. God knows we need it this year. So happy holidays and cheers to next year.